The food ventures of Soai are powered by our patrons. To become a patron, click the patron link in the description box. Thanks, patrons, for helping to write Soai. Before we start off today's video, I want to share with you guys one of my favorite products. You might have seen it in one of the videos somewhere, the coldest bottle. I take this bottle with me practically everywhere, whether it's Jamaica, Aruba, Bonaire, Curacao, Ghana. I love to have a bottle with me. Now, Black Friday has begun at Coldest all month, up to 50% off select random drops throughout the month, and up to 20% off the entire website at coldest.com/Black Friday. Now, these bottles are not cheap quality. They're really well made, and if you want to get them at a reduced price, I suggest you go over there and grab one now, especially if you're trying to get something really cool for the kids or the family for this Christmas season. Now, of course, I do also get a kickback whenever you purchase one of the bottles from my link. So check the description box so you can get more information, and thank you guys for supporting me and also getting an amazing gift. Let's kick off the video. Alright guys, welcome back to Stuck on an Island, where I'm stuck with you guys and we are always smiling. So I hope you guys checked out the previous video, which was the golden jerk chicken. That was super amazing. So of course, quick story. So living in Jamaica, they're quite expensive, and there's some of Jamaican cuisines that all of us really want to have, and one of them is oxtail. Now, to be frank, if you're looking to cook like an oxtail dinner for probably like 3 or 4 people, you're looking to spend somewhere around $5,000. Anyhow, was by Jilly, and she was making some dinner. She made some curry turkey neck. Let me tell you, it was really, really good. And then I kind of got inspired with the thought that why not use this imported turkey neck, and then we could add some flavors of oxtail and then kind of make a knockoff oxtail. Yeah, so we're gonna be doing that today. We're gonna be trying our best to make it as beefy and as flavorful as the oxtail is. Of course, it is turkey neck, but we're gonna try our best to make what I like to call a poor man's oxtail. Anyway guys, let's get into the video. It's about to be super amazing, and you know, we're by pretty close, where everything is never far. There, we meet again. My question for you is, you don't know, the videos I do, people say promote Jamaica, but they want to come to Jamaica and all that nice stuff. Give me 2 reasons why people should come to Jamaica.
Because of our beautiful nature, it's really nice.
So beautiful nature,
Yeah,
really nice.
Tourist attractions, yep, good.
Okay, what else?
And the food.
The
We
food?
cannot leave out the food. Exactly.
Alright, so
It's amazing.
for you, what's your favorite dish?
Does it have to be like national?
It doesn't, but no matter sell out yard, but go through. Alright, let's give you 2. An international and 1 from yard.
Okay, so the international, I want to say pizza.
Pizza? Vibes, what kind of pizza?
Hawaiian.
I knew you were gonna say Hawaii. That's my favorite actually. That's my favorite,
But
yeah.
you're one of the rare people, bro.
I know
Oh my
people always
God.
say Hawaii pineapple on top.
Cheese.
It's amazing.
Exactly. And I guess the second one, I don't know, would probably be.
From yard.
I know. You know that thing that they call fricassee, but we call it
Sushi.
home style or something.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Fricassee chicken.
Yeah, that's
You
stuff.
like that one?
Yep, love.
Wow. Alright.
And curry.
And curry.
Wait. Drop the fricassee.
Yeah.
Curry.
Curry
That's the
chicken
best
or
one.
curry goat?
Curry chicken, curry goat. Every time curry.
I eat that.
Yep.
Alright, vibes. Enjoy your swim.
Alright.
Pretty close.
Not far.
Organic. And pot I smell the whole place.
It's a,
Thank you.
you want a banana?
Yeah man, don't come see man. You could have done a banana.
Uh,
You alright with that?
yeah, man. You almost fell there.
No.
Right?
I
No?
should have taken one like this. I was thinking.
Oh, you're taking pictures. Cool. Anyway, so this one you don't know. Bikini Bottoms is all about, you know, hot girls expressing themselves and in bikini,
Right.
you know.
Yeah.
And hot is relative because it's all about what you think about yourself, right?
Definitely.
Cool. But is it easy though? Because I see you walking on the river rocks and everything. We know most of them rock they're well tough.
My
Like-
poor feet. Yeah, them toughest.
So the question is, do you think that beauty is pain?
Definitely. First of all, to do your hair tight when it's done, the process of go through takes so long for your hair.
Facts.
You have hot irons, makeup takes forever, doing your nails takes forever. Finding what you really want to wear because sometimes you just don't know what you want to wear.
True. So, of course, I saw you. You know, you're, you know, here pretty close and everything like that, and people are giving you compliments. Even that judge was here, and she was like, "Yo, your photos are going to be amazing."
Right?
And whatever. Now, when beauty is pain and you put so much time into getting yourself ready, do you like extra amounts of compliments or you just want somebody to just keep it to themselves?
Well, I mean, to be honest, if I'm going to put all the work in, if nobody says anything, that's going to be a problem.
Cool. Fact.
Yeah, it's going to be weird. I'm like, wait, what? Like,
Something wrong, something
yeah,
off.
something off. So,
Cool.
yeah, okay. But I'm not really doing it for the compliments here. Like,
It's really for you.
yeah, really for me, because I don't really need the compliments. It's just that if I don't get any, because I'm used to normally getting it, so if I don't get any, I'm going to be like, what the heck? I will not put it today. One of those things.
Wow, that's cool. That's amazing though, because I mean, for I think any female in a bikini, it take a huge level of confidence. Because when I put on her trunks, me kind of start worry.
Why?
Like, yeah, cause your belly bang over here, so.
But you're a guy, like.
Yeah, but we still think about that still. I know. We still have a little self-esteem or whatever. So, but anyway, I'm gonna leave you to, you know, take your photos and everything like that. And I'm sure you're gonna get a lot of compliments in the comments. That's a fact.
For real.
Vibes. Nice. So I show them say you're tough.
Yeah. That's right. I'm proud of myself. Turn off the stove, babe. Turn off the stove.
Water.
We're in a waterfall, but we're outside. Mighty God. Yeah, suck off the bone though.
Nice. You never get allergy?
Alright guys, definitely felt a little bit extra today, so we worked on 2 cooking videos. If you never caught the first one, that is the golden jerk chicken. I'm gonna link it in the description box so you guys can go check it out. But definitely the next time that I'm here, I'm just gonna just work on one dish and just vibe by the river and take in the amazing atmosphere. You guys know where we are. We were pretty close, and this is my place where I just come have a little vibe and thing and just chillax. But anyway guys, I'll catch you guys on the next video where we're either checking out some really cool travel spot, food stop, or cooking something by the river. Catch you guys on the next video. Remember 3 things: love, nature, and adaptation. And always remember to keep the link.